So welcome to day 9 of the 7-tonne electric arc furnace install. As we said last week, we still are in the preparation phase of the project. You can see some of the work going on behind us. As we knew, one of the challenges with this project was actually getting the bed plate racks aligned onto the 50-year-old base that's there. We have had some issues this week which we've had to work around, but it's now successful and we're heading in the right direction with that one. So the plan right now is we're going to get the bed plates finalised. We've got some instrumentation coming tomorrow to do that. They need to be grouted in, they will set over the weekend, and then we will start the installation phase of the furnace. So that should be a bit more straightforward than what we found this week. So.
Hello, my name is Gerald Fleisner. I'm the site manager for the project for the installation and commissioning. So we are in the final stage of position the tracks for the platform. This will be grouted hopefully in this week still. And then once the platform is ready to be lifted in, the platform will then be installed and connected with the tilting cylinder. So that's one part, and then next part is like we have the hydraulic unit already in place, in position. This will be connected with some hydraulic pipelines and also some pipelines for the gas and for the air will also go in place.
Oh, good.